Tracfone devices displaying emergency calls only usually signal SIM card or network provisioning issues. This means your SIM hasn't been properly activated or registered with Tracfone. It restricts your phone to emergency services only, like 911, because it lacks cellular data or voice plan access. The core issue lies in the SIM's ICID and IMSI not being correctly registered in the carrier's database. Tracfone is now often under Verizon. Common causes include unactivated SIMs, expired service plans, incompatible SIM cards, especially with 5G, damaged SIMs, or coverage gaps. Use codes like SCRO6 to check your IMEI and verify your SIM status via Tracfone's website or app. First, ensure your Tracfone is unlocked and compatible with the network bands. Try these quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode on-off, manually update carrier settings using codes if available for your device, and restart your phone. If those don't work, your SIM might need reprovisioning. Activate it using the Tracfone app or website, which now supports instant activation via QR codes or NFC in many cases. If the issue persists, manually configure your APN settings. For instance, setting the APF data and MMSC to https://mms.tracfone.com has been successful for some users. If all else fails, contact Tracfone support for remote diagnostics and reprovisioning, as a firmware mismatch may be the problem.